Hi guys, let's look at this simple question that we have here. We are told to make r the subject of the formula in a is equal to pi r squared. The subject of a formula is the value we are trying to calculate. In every formula, we always have a subject, which is the value we are trying to calculate. Okay, it's always found on the left side of the formula. It is found alone. So here we have a is equal to pi r squared. So if this is a formula, a is equal to pi r squared. The subject of the formula, remember we said, is always found on the left side of the formula and is always found alone. This means that a is the subject of this formula. But we are told to make r the subject of the formula. This means we have to relocate r from the right side to the left side. If we are going to do that, the first step we are going to take is to mirror this formula. The formula is a is equal to pi r squared. So mirroring it means whatever we have on the right, we bring it to the left, and whatever we have on the left, we bring it to the right. So let's do that. So we have pi r squared is equal to a. So this is the same formula, but we have brought the values on the right to the left. Okay, so what are the values on the left right now? Pi is on the left, r is on the left, and square is on the left. But for us to make r the subject of the formula, r has to be alone on the left. So we are going to bring pi back to the right and square back to the right. Next, what we are going to look at is what is binding pi and r together. There is an invisible multiplication sign binding them together. So we are going to introduce the opposite of multiplication, which is division. We are going to divide both sides by pi in order to eliminate pi from the left side. So we have pi r squared all over pi is equal to a all over pi. So pi is going to cancel out pi. We have r squared is equal to a all over pi. At this point, we have been able to eliminate pi from the left side of the formula, but we still have square here, which is not meant to be on the left. In order to eliminate it, we are going to introduce the opposite of square, which is square root. So we are going to get the square root of both sides of the formula. So we are going to have square root of r squared is equal to a all over pi, square root of this. Okay, so square root of r squared is equal to square root of a all over pi. At this point, square root is going to cancel out square. How do we know that? If we have square root of 2 square root is going to cancel out square because we have 2 square is equal to 4. So we have square root of 4. Square root of 4 is the same thing as 2. This shows that this initial square root has cancelled out this square. So in this case, square root is going to cancel out square. We have r is equal to, there's nothing to cancel out on the right, so we have square root of a all over pi. At this point, we have succeeded in making r the subject of the formula. Very simple. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like the video, share with your friends, and subscribe for more math videos. See you in the next video. Bye.